Imagine a land where every turn offers a postcard-perfect view. Welcome to Spain, a tapestry of scenic wonders. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey through some of the most breathtaking landscapes that Spain has to offer. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Costa Brava to the rugged peaks of the Pyrenees, each corner of this vibrant country showcases its unique blend of natural beauty. Our exploration will take us through diverse regions, each boasting its own distinct charm. Imagine the lush green valleys of the north, whispering tales of ancient times, and the dramatic coastal vistas that seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon. Not to be overlooked are the serene olive groves and bustling vineyards that define the picturesque countryside. As we dive deeper into Spain's scenic heartlands, prepare to be captivated by the sheer variety of landscapes. From the tranquil beauty of sleepy villages to the majestic grandeur of towering mountains, Spain offers a visual feast that promises to enchant and inspire. Stay tuned as we embark on this visual journey across Spain's most stunning landscapes. First stop, the Costa Brava, where the Mediterranean meets golden sands and rugged cliffs. Nestled in the northeastern corner of Spain, Costa Brava stretches from the quaint town of Blanes all the way to the French border. This coastline is a tapestry of azure waters and scenic beaches that beckon travelers from around the globe. Imagine yourself lounging on the sun-kissed sands of Lloret de Mar, or diving into the crystal-clear depths at Aigua Blava. But Costa Brava isn't just about the beaches. Hidden among these stunning coastal landscapes are charming coves, often reachable only by foot or by boat, offering a secluded paradise for those willing to explore. Picture the serene Cala Salguer, with its traditional fishermen's huts painted in vibrant hues, almost as if whispering tales of the sea. Beyond the allure of the coast, Costa Brava is peppered with historical gems. The medieval towns like Pals and Tossa de Mar stand as testaments to the region's rich past, their ancient stone walls and cobblestone streets offering a stark contrast to the modern vibrancy of seaside resorts. The culture here is palpable, especially in the local cuisine. Seafood, fresh from the Mediterranean paired with locally produced wines, provides a culinary journey as enticing as the scenic views. From relaxing on sun-soaked beaches to exploring ancient ruins, Costa Brava offers a picturesque escape into nature's embrace. Now we journey to Granada, a city where history paints every corner. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Sierra Nevada mountains, Granada is a treasure trove of historical marvels and cultural spectacles. At the heart of this city lies the Alhambra, a stunning example of medieval Islamic architecture. This palace complex is not just a feast for the eyes with its elaborate arabesques and vibrant colored tiles. It's a labyrinth of history, each hall and court telling a story of a bygone era. The Alhambra's gardens, known as the General Life, are an eloquent testimony to Moorish landscape art, designed to represent paradise on earth. Here, water features sing alongside arrays of flowers, creating a serene escape from the bustling city life. As we wander beyond the Alhambra, the streets of Granada's old town beckon. These narrow pathways, lined with whitewashed houses, are often draped in jasmine, filling the air with its intoxicating scent. Listen closely, and the sounds of flamenco echo off the walls, a passionate reminder of Andalusia's rich cultural heritage. Granada's backdrop is equally breathtaking. The Sierra Nevada mountains offer not only a scenic panorama, but also a playground for nature enthusiasts. Whether it's hiking in the summer or skiing in the winter, the mountains serve as a year-round attraction. Granada is not just a city, it's a living museum surrounded by natural wonders. Venture north to the green heart of Spain, Asturias, where nature runs wild and free. In this enchanting region, the landscapes tell tales of ancient times and untouched beauty. Picture rolling hills blanketed in a vibrant tapestry of green, where the air is as fresh as the sparkling streams that weave through the meadows. Asturias is the jewel of northern Spain, a place where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic display of nature's prowess. The rugged peaks of the Picos de Europa tower over the landscape, challenging hikers and climbers to explore their steep trails and hidden valleys. These mountains are not just a backdrop, but a playground for adventurers. Each path offers a new discovery, from breathtaking vistas to quaint mountain villages where time seems to stand still. And let's not forget the beaches. Unlike the sun-soaked sands of southern Spain, the beaches here are wild and unspoiled, with dramatic cliffs and the fierce Atlantic waves. They are perfect for those who find beauty in the raw power of nature. The heart of Asturias beats in its traditional villages, where the old ways are preserved with pride. Here you can wander through streets lined with stone houses, stopping to chat with locals who are always ready to share stories or a glass of the famed Asturian cider. Asturias is a paradise for those who seek adventure amidst nature's finest settings. Next we explore Andalusia, where the spirit of Spain dances under the sun. In this sun-drenched region, the landscape is as diverse as the culture that thrives within it. Begin on the sun-kissed beaches of Costa del Sol, where golden sands meet the azure waters of the Mediterranean. These shores are not just a paradise for sunbathers but a canvas for the vibrant lifestyles that define Andalusian summers. Moving inland, the scenery shifts dramatically. Vast expanses of olive groves stretch across the rolling hills, their silver-green leaves shimmering under the Andalusian sun. These groves are more than just beautiful. They are an integral part of Andalusia's soul, producing some of the world's finest olive oil. But Andalusia's charm doesn't stop at its natural beauty. The region is a cultural powerhouse, with cities like Seville and Cordoba showcasing the architectural and artistic heritage that spans centuries. Seville radiates with life, its streets echoing with the rhythms of flamenco. Here the dance and music are not just art forms but expressions of joy and sorrow woven into the city's fabric. Cordoba, on the other hand, tells tales of its Islamic past through the mesmerizing arches and intricate mosaics of the Great Mosque, a marvel that stands as a testament to the cultural fusion that characterizes this region. Andalusia captivates with its vibrant culture and stunning vistas, a true feast for the senses. Off Spain's coast, the Canary Islands beckon with their otherworldly beauty. This archipelago, floating like a cluster of emerald gems in the Atlantic, presents a panorama that feels almost surreal. Tenerife, the largest of the islands, is crowned by the majestic Mount Teide. This towering volcano is not only Spain's highest peak, but also the third largest volcano in the world from its base. The volcanic landscapes here create a dramatic backdrop that contrasts sharply with the sparkling blue waters that surround the island. The terrain varies from moonlight craters and ancient lava flows to lush valleys teeming with vibrant flora. Venture over to Fuerteventura and you are greeted by miles of white sandy beaches. These expanses are a haven for sunseekers and surfers alike, offering some of the most breathtaking waterscapes in the Atlantic. The dunes here, sculpted by the winds, shift and dance in the light, creating a landscape that is always new. La Palma, often referred to as the Beautiful Island, is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Its lush forests are a stark contrast to the arid scenes of its sister islands. The laurel forests, dense and dripping with the mist, are part of a biosphere reserve that showcases a biodiversity that is as rich as it is enchanting. The Canary Islands do not just dazzle with their varied landscapes. The climate here is eternally spring-like, making this destination a year-round paradise. The Canary Islands offer a slice of paradise with their exotic landscapes and vibrant wildlife. Our journey through Spain's scenic marvels concludes, but the adventure doesn't have to end here. From the sun-kissed shores of Costa Brava to the historic walls of Granada, each location has its own unique story and breathtaking views. The rugged landscapes of Asturias offered a stark contrast to the vibrant, lively scenes of Andalusia, while the surreal beauty of the Canary Islands seemed almost otherworldly. Now it's your turn to weigh in. Which of these stunning Spanish locales captivated you the most? Was it the coastal allure, the historic grandeur, the rugged natural beauty, or perhaps the vibrant colors of the South? More importantly, where should we venture next? There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored, and your suggestions are our compass. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring.